Hi guys, this is Juberhertz aka Yaya. So guys, mao gini akong favorite nga coffee diri sa Middle East which is karak. Sapuron, hell, uh, milk, fresh milk. Dili fresh milk yet, no? Just milk. Rainbow, this one. And also tea. Okay? So, ganda-ganda nito guys. Sarap-sarap. With this coffee is with saffron. That's why this one is very special. For me, it tastes good. It's so nice and it makes you wake up na. Hmm? Creamy and yummy like me. Okay? Kinsay mahilig siya og karak diri sa Middle East. Reha ba ta? Favorite yun ako ni karak. Bye.